It starts with you releasing your feelings and acknowledging those, validating them, and giving the child space to do the same. Because your child is going to imitate what you do. If you have a loss and all your child sees is anger and destruction and distance, that's what they're going to do. They're going to think that's how you cope with things. They're going to think that's how you talk about a problem. What you have to do in that space is be purposeful. You have to take off the armor because it's already been broken. You have to talk to your child. You have to give them space to be upset, to be sad, to talk about the death. Levi would just randomly bring it up for months after that. And that in itself, if I had not did the work with our doula, the counseling, the therapy sessions, the meditation, everything that she brought to us, I wouldn't have been equipped to deal with him. And I know that if we had had another child after him, which we did, Sage, he would not have been able to love Sage appropriately. He would have distanced himself. He wouldn't have been able to enjoy the pregnancy because he would have been constantly thinking about how last time there was a pregnancy and no baby came. How there was sadness in the house and no one could talk. That's what he would have remembered. But instead now, he's the loving big brother that he's wanted to be.